Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Anita, and today I'm going to walk you through a deep dive analysis on a business problem which I did in Oracle Analytics. This analysis is about identifying customer segments which are experiencing high churn in a bank. I have used advanced visuals and also applied machine learning to find the drivers of churn. So let us get started. Here, we are seeing a one-page summary in a form of dashboard. In this video, I will explain briefly the designing I did and briefly touch upon each visual and see if we can derive some insights there. First, talking about the design. Notice I don't have a legend anywhere, but the audience can make out that the red color is for the customers who have churned. And I think it's all about using colors in a clever way. Also, see that visuals are laid out neatly from left to right. Every visual has a heading to it explaining the quick insight. So, this analysis looks like it is business ready. You can directly take this to the business leader and walk them through the insights. There is no need to create a separate PowerPoint presentation, which is really cool. Now, let us look at the analysis with charts. On the top left, we have the big picture, very high level metrics. And then there is a breakdown based on demography, location, and other factors. For showing the churn by gender, I have used very simple icons for male and female, and we can see that females show a higher churn as compared to males. Then I have used picto chart to show churn separately for active versus inactive customers. And we can see that from the sad faces or the red faces, which are actually churned customers, they are higher in the inactive category. This tells us that churn is more in inactive category. Then we have this geo map. Quickly, we can see that Germany is experiencing higher than average churn. Now, let us look at the middle section. Leftmost chart shows that the customers with poor credit scores are showing high churn. This to me is in fact good. Not all churn is bad. Analyzing churn by number of products, churn looks very high when number of products bought by customers increases from 2. So something really not working for the bank. Maybe the bank can interview some customers who churned in this category and get to the root of the problem. We will see the driver analysis using machine learning in a while, but let's first complete the charts. Looking at churn by balance in account, we quickly can infer that customers having larger balances are more prone to churn. And lastly, for analyzing churn by age, I have used Marimekko chart, which allows us to see the proportion of population in each of the age segments and also the extent of churn in that segment. So we sense that very high churn is being observed in customers greater than 46 years segment. That was all about charts and graphs. Now let us look at the driver analysis. Here we are seeing the coefficients as an output of machine learning algorithm. Simply looking at the coefficients, we see that age is one of the dominant factors in determining churn for the company. There are other variables also, but not that impactful, such as customers being inactive, customers from Germany, customers being female. Hence, our recommendation is that based on age, the bank should formulate a retention strategy by catering to the demands of the customers in different age groups. That completes the analysis. I hope you found it interesting and thank you for listening.